Hi, my dears. Namaste. Salam alaikum. I would like to give a small tips on series and parallel groupings of resistors, capacitors, cells, inductors, springs, thermal resistance. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell symbol. Share video to your friends and family. Okay. Channel promotions completed. Start the topic. Series and parallel grouping definitions. Series grouping definition. Components connect back to back. Another definition. Components connected in series are connecting along a single path. Parallel grouping definition. Components connected in parallel are connected along a multipath. IIT NEET students have a lot of syllabus. It's remembering not a easy task. That's why my thought comparing similar formulas and topics. I hope this plan reduce the syllabus. So now we discussing series and parallel groupings of resistors, capacitors, cells, inductors and spring. Okay. Now resistors V is equal to I into R. This is resistor symbol. Two resistors connecting in series. The equivalent resistance is equal to the R1 plus R2. R1 one resistor, R2 is a second resistor. The same way, two resistors are connected in parallel. One resistor R1, another resistor R2. Equivalent resistance 1 by Re is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is very well known formulas, but in this video we are comparing to another topics with a resistors formula. Why? Because this is very known formula. If you know remember this one, you can remember also another formulas like similar formulas, right? The same way capacitors in series. Capacitors in series. Capacitance formula Q is equal to V into C. One capacitor C1, another capacitor C2, then equivalent capacitors C1 and C2 in series grouping. Equivalent capacitance is equal to nothing but 1 by CE is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. In parallel grouping, capacitors in parallel grouping, this one C1, this one C2 capacitors, both are in parallel. Now equivalent capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2. The same way cells are grouping is equal to IR. Two cells EMF E1 E2 connecting in series, right? Equivalent EMF is equal to E1 plus E2. If two cells connecting in parallel, equivalent potential is equal. Potential is equal. Second, next one, inductor. Inductor symbol, this one. EMF of inductor is equal to L di by dt. Two inductors connecting in series grouping L1 and L2. Two inductors. Then resultant inductor Le is equal to L1 plus L2. Both inductor connecting in parallel series, parallel combination L1, L2. The resultant inductance is equal 1 by Le is equal 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2. Spring. Spring form, here we taking time period. T is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. K is spring constant. Two springs, two masses, two springs sorry two springs are connecting in series K1 K2. Spring, here taking formula T is equal to 2 pi under root m by k, time period formula. Two springs are connecting in series spring constants K1 and K2. This is also series combination, this is also series combination, both are same. Then spring constant, resultant spring constant 1 by Ke is equal 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. This is resultant spring constant. Next, parallel combination of springs. This is K1 spring constant, this spring constant is K2, same K1 K2. This combination is parallel combination of springs. Equivalent spring constant Ke is equal K1 plus K2. We are going to thermal resistance. R is equal to L by Ka. As in a current electricity, look here, this is one rod, thermal resistance, thermal conductivity passing to one rod to second rod. These two are connecting in series combination, back to back connecting, because it is a series combination. Re is equal, thermal resistance is equal R1 plus R2, equivalent thermal resistance R1 plus R2, and both rods are connecting in parallel. The term thermal resistance, equivalent resistance 1 by Re is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. It is our formulas. Now we are comparing the formulas, right? First one, resistors. Resistors in series R1 plus R2 one way, and parallel combination 1 by R1 Re is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Again cells are same, E is equal to E1 plus E2. Now thermal resistance also same, Re is equal to R1 plus R2. In parallel combination 1 by Re is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here we remembering resistors, cells and thermal resistance. Three are equal formulas. Inductance, inductors formulas also same, and conclusion, resistance, cells, inductor and capacitors, springs, thermal resistance. How to remember these formulas? Capacitors, spring constants are same like formulas in in a series combination and parallel combination. Capacitors capacitors and springs have a same formulas in series combination and parallel combination. Resistors, cells, inductors, thermal resistance, these four are same formulas. If you easily remember capacitors and spring, these two are easy remembering. Remaining also we can remember easily. Okay. Resistors, cells, inductors, thermal resistors, these are same formulas, and capacitors, springs, these are same formulas.